I just love UPS. Not UPS, oh my gosh. Amazon. I'm sorry about my voice right now. It's like horrible. Thank you, Amazon guy across the street, for waking me up. Like, seriously. Like, look at my head. It's a whole mess. I might as well just like clap this thing on. Oh my gosh, how do I look? Yeah. No. I'm still half asleep, I'm sorry. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are new to my channel, thank you for being here. You can go ahead and just hit that subscribe button right down below. For those of you who are subscribed already and are returning to see me, thank you guys so much and welcome back. So before, as you saw, I was like not refreshed at all. I had to go wash my face, like get myself together. And actually, I'm just going to do a quick, simple, very simple makeup look. If you are intrigued to see what's on here, please stay tuned and let's get to it. So today I'm going to start off my eyebrows with powder. Like, this is dead to the world. Like, this is dead. So I'm just trying to create a brow since I got no brow. And it also comes with directions to let you know how to create a brow. It does take a little while because like I have no product in here. So I'm like scraping through this to try and get the brown out. My trick to this is a Q-tip and some alcohol. For people that don't want to conceal their brows with concealer. It's a bit closer to this. I'm just going to like clean up where I want this to be fully marked out. Make sure you like bunch up your Q-tip so it's like rolled really thin. You don't have loose edges. Take your time. Now I'm just going to go in with some moisturizer, setting spray on it. I'm just going to let that sit for a little bit. If you don't have this, this is perfectly fine. You don't have to do this process. So I'm going to use a sponge. If you have a sponge, a beauty blender sponge, you can use that. If you don't, and you buy like a pressed powder, comes with like a makeup pad at the bottom, you can just buy the disposable makeup sponges to apply the product. I'm just going to take a damp beauty sponge and apply the product to my face. So sponge and my product, and it's just to cover up some of my blemishes. It's not like to like eliminate all the marks. And you see already how it has like a smooth effect to it. That's exactly what I wanted, because sometimes I don't always want to put on makeup, and you put on as many layers as you feel. If one layer is fine with you, that's okay. Why do I always have to get the lash stuff at the top? So you see how I have my lashes here? I let it dry for like 10 to 20 seconds. Go to the next lash because I'm going to put another coat to try and like amplify my eyelashes, and then yeah, give it some volume. A little trick when I buy my mascara to promote my eyelashes to stay healthy, I do drop like a drop of castor oil into my mascara. So after I moisturize my lip, put some chapsticks. You can either go in with a gloss or like a combo of mauve color and a gloss. Also, you can put on a wing for like some, you know, some cute effects. But so I'm not going to. Guess what I didn't do? Line my lips with brown. Only because I'm going to put on a gloss. You like. Alright guys, so this is my finished look for my makeup. So now for what's underneath this. Just to show you how I do this. I don't mind messing up my hands for this part. You can use gloves. So I have a spray bottle, some smoothie, hair enhancing smoothie, and the hair wax, and this is the color. So this is how I get my best curl definition, like best curl definition. So I'm just going to take just a little of the product, the smoothie first. Okay, let me just wet it a little. The hair wax paint. And I'm just going to finger comb it through my hair. So anybody who's ever wanted to try this, it is a very good product. I've had it for like, I have several other colors, but, and then your curls just start like coming out. I came off camera really quickly just to figure out what I wanted to do, and I didn't like the middle part anymore, so I gave myself like a side part, and I'm just going to gel down my baby hairs. So I use the Style Factor Edge Boost. If y'all don't tired seeing me drop things in this video, like seriously, rewatch these videos and tell me how many times I drop something. Product I use, and this is in the scent Blueberry. This is my old toothbrush that I use, and this product is like amazing. Look at this. I think I need to get y'all closer. So at this point, I'm just making sure the different sections are well defined, going over what I need to. I usually spray with some water at the end just to make sure when I'm raking back through it's not dried up. So when it does dry, it does get a little bit harder, but you can just refresh it with water in the morning and like just go. So now I'm woken up, all bright-tailed, bushy-eyed. Now I need some breakfast. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you guys like so much. If you're still at the point of this video, you can subscribe and hit the notification bell just to stay in tune on what's next. Actually, I'm gonna work on a wig. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, stop doing that.